Hey everyone, welcome back to Toonie Talks. Retirement planning can feel overwhelming. How much money do you really need to stop working and enjoy life in Canada? Let's break it down step by step in simple terms. Part 1. The basics of retirement income. Financial planners often say you'll need about 70% of your pre-retirement income to maintain your lifestyle. That means if you earn $60,000 a year before retiring, you'll want about $42,000 a year in retirement. But remember, it depends on your lifestyle, location, and whether you'll still have a mortgage or other debts. Part 2. Sources of retirement income in Canada. Most Canadians rely on a mix of three things: government benefits like CPP, Canada Pension Plan, and OAS, Old Age Security. Workplace pensions, if you're lucky enough to have one, and personal savings and investments, things like TFSAs and RRSPs. Part 3. Real-world numbers. The average Canadian couple spends around $4,000 to $6,000 a month in retirement, depending on their lifestyle. For a modest retirement, you may need around $700,000 to $1 million in savings. For a comfortable retirement with travel, hobbies, and extras, it could be closer to $1.5 million or more. Part 4. How to plan. Start by asking, what kind of retirement do you want? Stay close to home? You'll need less. Travel every year? You'll need more. Then look at your expected government benefits. CPP and OAS might cover $1,000 to $1,500 per person per month. The rest needs to come from savings, like your RRSP or TFSA. Part 5. Tips to get started. Start saving early. Compound growth is your best friend. Use both RRSPs and TFSAs. They work differently, but together they're powerful. Review your plan every year. Retirement needs can change. So, how much do you really need to retire in Canada? It depends, but planning early and saving consistently will get you there. For a full breakdown of tax-free investing, check out our TFSA and RRSP videos next. And don't forget to subscribe for more Canadian money tips every week.